Have you tried to reason with an incredibly difficult person? It's extremely challenging. The situation proves frustrating, maddening, and sometimes even frightening. The truth is, you may not be able to reason with an unreasonable person. But I'll show you the proven techniques to better manage such dicey situations. This is a life skill you must have. Watch the video until the end to fully grasp the techniques used. I learned the ropes of what's technically called verbal de-escalation from many years of working in different conditions. We have to undergo training on how to diffuse difficult situations in which employee and customers were extremely angry and seemingly out of control. What follows are the tactics that professional crisis intervention teams use, and you can learn them too. You can use these techniques in different situations dealing with your boss, a customer, a family member, even a stranger. Keep in mind, the closer your relationship with the person, the more knowledge you'll have of what will best work to calm things down. You may appear unnatural at first. When you're dealing with a person behaving unreasonably, the fear response center in your own brain is going to be activated. This part of the brain can't distinguish between a customer that's yelling at you or a vicious dog barking. It's up to you to use your conscious mind in order to diffuse the situation. Key strategies for dealing with difficult people. 1. Listen actively. Listening is your superpower when dealing with unreasonable folks. It's where it all begins. Everyone yearns to be heard, and that's the first step toward any solution. As you listen, focus entirely on what the other person is saying, not on your own response. This shows them you care about what they're going through. 2. Stay calm. In the midst of an emotional storm, it's easy to get swept away. Take a deep breath and slow things down. Monitor your breathing, because staying calm yourself is the foundation for calming the situation. Deep, slow breaths can be your anchor. 3. Avoid prejudging. Remember, you don't know the full story. When someone's acting unreasonable, there's often an undercurrent of vulnerability or fear. Try to see beyond the behavior to understand what might be driving it. 4. Show respect. Regardless of how someone's treating you, show them respect and dignity. Being contemptuous won't help resolve the situation. Treating them with respect can open the door to better communication. 5. Look for hidden clues. Unpack what they really need or want. Sometimes, their actions are a mask for underlying desires or fears. Understanding these hidden motivations can be a game changer. 6. Seek additional help. If you're in a challenging situation, especially at work, look around for colleagues who can assist. Having a backup can make all the difference. 7. Avoid demanding compliance. Telling an upset person to be quiet or calm down usually backfires. Instead, ask them what's bothering them and give them a chance to vent. Let them express their feelings. 8. Skip I understand. Oddly, saying I understand often makes things worse. Instead, invite them to share more about their perspective. Saying, tell me more so I can understand better is more effective. 9. Be calm and normal. Avoid smiling or using humor, as it might come across as mocking. While humor can sometimes ease tension, it can also backfire, so tread carefully. 10. Don't get defensive. When they say hurtful things or make false accusations, resist the urge to defend yourself. They're likely too emotionally charged for it to help. Remember, it's not about you. Don't take it personally, though that's often easier said than done. 11. Stay calm, not angry. Reacting with anger, raising your voice, or being disrespectful only fuels the fire in an already heated situation. Maintain a calm, even tone and wait for your turn to speak. 12. Avoid arguments. Arguing or trying to convince them of anything may not be productive. It often prolongs the conflict instead of resolving it. 13. Maintain distance. While comforting gestures work in some contexts, when someone's already upset, physical touch may be misinterpreted. It's best to keep a little distance. 14. Use apologetic phrases. Simple phrases like "I'm sorry" or "I'll try to fix this" can go a long way in diffusing tense situations. They show empathy and willingness to resolve the issue. 15. set limits and boundaries. While it's essential to listen and allow them to vent, you also have the right to assert yourself. In a serious tone, let them know when they've crossed a line, saying, "Please don't talk to me like that." 16. Trust your instincts. If your gut tells you that things are going south fast, be prepared to take action to keep yourself safe. Look for an exit strategy if necessary. 17. Be flexible. Every person is unique and may respond differently. These guidelines are effective in many situations, but you have to remain adaptable to individual needs. 18. Debrief. After the dust settles, discuss what happened with someone you trust to gain a deeper understanding of the problem. This reflection can help you handle future situations better. 19. Manage stress. Releasing pent-up stress is crucial. Go for a run, take a walk with your dog, or do something to let those emotions out. Don't let them linger. 20. Give yourself credit. Dealing with difficult people can be draining, and it takes a lot of self-control. After the encounter, remind yourself that you did a good job. Recognize your efforts and pat yourself on the back for handling the situation with grace. These strategies can help you navigate challenging interactions with difficult individuals more effectively and maintain your own composure in the process. Remember, you're doing your best, and that's something to be proud of. A list of words or phrases you can use to lessen or defuse the situation. 1. Empathetic statements. I can understand how you might feel that way. I'm sorry you're going through this. It sounds like you're really upset about this. 2. Calming phrases. Let's take a deep breath and talk this through calmly. I'm here to help and find a solution. We can work together to resolve this. 3. Apology and accountability. I apologize if there was a misunderstanding. I take responsibility for any inconvenience this has caused. I'm committed to making this right. 4. Understanding and agreement. I can see your point of view. I agree that this is a challenging situation. We both want the same thing, a resolution. 5. Acknowledging feelings. It's natural to feel frustrated in this situation. Your concerns are important, and I hear them. I can see that this is causing you a lot of stress. 6. Offer of assistance. How can I help you with this? Let's work together to find a solution. I'm here to support you through this. 7. Defusing phrases. I appreciate your patience as we work this out. Let's not let this situation get the best of us. I'm confident we can find common ground. 8. Redirecting attention. Let's shift our focus to what we can do to resolve this. Instead of dwelling on the problem, let's explore solutions. What's the outcome we both want to achieve here? 9. Offering alternatives. If this isn't working for you, how about we try something different? Let's consider other options to reach a resolution. Perhaps there's a compromise we can both agree on. 10. Encouraging communication. I value open and honest communication. Please feel free to express your concerns. Let's keep the lines of communication open. Remember, the choice of words and phrases should be tailored to the specific situation and the individual you're dealing with. These expressions can help create a more positive and collaborative atmosphere, making it easier to find common ground and resolve conflicts. In conclusion, I would say in the complex human interactions, we often encounter challenging individuals who seem unreasonable and difficult to handle. However, armed with the right strategies, we can handle these situations with more effectively. By the way, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share, like, and subscribe. The important things to take note are, it might be challenging to reason with an unreasonable person, but proven techniques exist to manage difficult situations. Verbal de-escalation, which includes active listening, maintaining composure, and understanding hidden needs, is a powerful tool at your disposal. You have to be flexible, as no one response fits all circumstances. The ability to deal with difficult individuals is a skill that can be acquired, and with practice, you'll find yourself better equipped to handle these challenging situations. Remember that it's not just about managing others, it's also about maintaining your own emotional well-being and fostering productive communication. So, Whether it's a demanding customer, a challenging colleague, or a stubborn family member, these strategies can serve as your compass to manage such chaotic human interaction. Cultivate this power to diffuse tense situations, build bridges, and ultimately foster understanding, even when dealing with the most difficult of individuals. Your life will be better and happier. Cheers!